Let's take a look at the new functionality, prepaid stocks. Now, this is the ability to purchase stock for a given region at a discounted price, ahead of orders that might need it. Now, this is useful for three cases. Number one, when the product would be too expensive to be made on demand. Like if it has super small parts where most of the cost is technically the engineer coming and picking up the build plate. Now, the second use case is for products that would be too complex otherwise. Think of having 10 different plates, each with 20 grams of material for every single product. And finally, it's important for situations where you want to prevent a spike in demand from pushing back the time to deliver. Now, let's say your product is this tiny snake. You've already had hundreds of sales with this one, and now you want to reduce the production cost. The first thing that you want to do is create a stock part for it. And you need a stock number. Now, for that, I recommend going directly into the slicer and cramming as many parts as possible directly on the build plate. In this case, I think this is 14. So let's say 14 for the stock items. Some descriptions, some media files are useful as well for the print farm. And let's upload the file directly with what it needs. And we can put the materials later. It's still uploading, and that's pretty much done. You can change it to multicolor, click if you need the AMS, PLA black, PLA green, and let's have it with three colors, with PLA white for the horns. And that's it. Now it just needs to go through the automatic slicer and get the product pricing back to you. Now I do have this one that's already approved for exactly the grams that would be used for this. So let's look at how you can update the product itself. Let's say this is your product, and the original would be sold for $10. That's fine. And with on demand, you can see the production cost would be 4.65. Now let's add some stock to this. Whoops. Ooh. And now you can see a new column down here. And we can create another, actually no, let's use this old variant, enable the stock and replace the on-demand side. And now the profit jumped all the way to 7.86, and your pricing when an order comes in is 0 because you have already ordered the stock previously. But you do get the estimate for the total production cost. And that's it.